How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. The market is racing up today. So many stocks are green, and green, like really green. Amazon up nearly 6%. For example, Tesla was up 6% earlier as well. The market's racing. There's one big reason for that. And we also got news that Elon Musk is now going to buy Twitter for the original $54.20 a share. I want to talk about that and what's going to happen there. If you don't mind hitting the subscribe button underneath the video, I appreciate that. There's a really big video coming out tomorrow talking about some cryptocurrencies that I'm buying and looking at buying here soon. There's also a link to moomoo underneath the video where you can get thousands of dollars, up to thousands of dollars of free stock, up to 15 free stocks when you start depositing. So check out that link underneath the video. Now, like I said, the market's up pretty significantly today. So many stocks in the green, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6%. And we're really turning risk on a bit again after we had such a collapse last week. Friday were really cheap prices in the stock market. Now NASDAQ's up nearly 3%. It was up a lot yesterday as well. There's one major reason for this. First of all, this is not the major reason, but we did see us hit support a couple days ago. We hit just barely below some of the lows on some of the indices, so I think we are seeing a bit of a bounce there. We're also seeing the UN warn of recession linked to imprudent monetary policy, basically saying the US is raising rates too quickly compared to all the other countries, and they're worried that we were actually going to see a type of recession from the DXY going up essentially so quickly, and so many other countries not being able to keep money. Basically, I believe in their own currency and in their own system, because so many people will want to bring money to the US, and it's just going to crush other countries. We also have the market starting to price this in. They're starting to price in a Fed pivot, because you can see that we were actually expecting them to raise rates in 2023 and into 2024. The beginning, we were expecting the rates to actually be higher throughout the year. And that's when the market was really bad just last week. This would really negatively affect the market, obviously, if we continued to raise rates for 15 months, over the next 15 months. Now we're starting to price in a bit of a pivot, them actually lowering rates next year. Now, this is causing the market to obviously go up pretty drastically here today. But one company that has been kind of hit hard today after being up 5.5% is Tesla. Now it's down about 4% from its highs earlier today because of news of Elon Musk going through with the Twitter acquisition. Now, Tesla was already hit pretty hard just yesterday due to the fact that they had lower deliveries than was expected. But now they're talking about Twitter being acquired by Elon Musk for $54.20, and Twitter spiked on this. They've been halted a couple times now. Elon was the one that suggested going through with the deal. Now, I think that basically shows that he doesn't think he's going to be able to get this for a lower price, and he doesn't think he's going to be able to get out of the deal either. The reason that Tesla stock is actually falling on this news is because it is known, or at least expected, that he will have to sell a couple $1 billion worth of shares of Tesla to go through with this deal. So he doesn't have enough cash, supposedly, to go through with the deal right now. So he will have to sell some more shares. Now, the fact is that we do have a lockup period until the earnings come out on Tesla. So he won't be able to sell now, but it's still the market pricing in him having to sell a couple $1 billion of Tesla, even if that is weeks from now. Now, overall, I think this is just a blip on the radar for Tesla. This won't really matter in the long run, but it is people trying to estimate how much this is going to force down the stock, and they're trying to get in ahead of that kind of selling. Now, I think Tesla's a great company, and at this price, I'm happy to continue buying. I'm not worried about it. For the long term, I think Tesla's going to be fine, and I'm not trying to play this short-term game, because if they come out with good earnings, the price is going to pump up anyways. They're going to have a great Q4 in my opinion as well, so I'm not trying to get in and get out on such a great company when it's already at a good price. Now, let me know your thoughts on this underneath the video. Let me know if you're buying stocks today or if you're selling. What do you think the market's going to do? And check out the link to moomoo underneath the video to get tons of free money here today.